Hey, I hope you're having a wonderful start to your day. Today I got up with organizing my closet, cleaning the house, having breakfast with a husband. A friend of mine is in town and we're gonna meet up somewhere along the way. Today is Day of the Dead and there are many things to do, and they have a parade along Reformer going towards Zocalo, and I'm going to meet up with her and record today. Normally today I'll be resting, but a friend is in town who needs to rest, right? I am calling for the Uber. Let's see. Let's see how today goes. It's 2 in the afternoon. 2 in the afternoon. And let's see how long it's gonna take me to get there. Ooh, the Uber is 15 minutes away. So that's that. I'm gonna meet with a friend and maybe show you some of the desfiles on the parade. Mexican never usually have this parade, and it started I think in 2016 because of the James Bond filming here in the Zocalo, and they have continued with it ever since. So this should be interesting. I've been there during the pandemic. We didn't have a parade, I hope, and I didn't plan on going, but why not share a little bit of the excitement and also catch up with a friend. The Uber is 6 minutes away and I'll take you along with me this few hours that will convert to a couple minutes. So the Ubers are canceling and they're taking a while, so I might be late. Oh my goodness. In the meantime, while we wait on an Uber, what is Day of the Dead or Dias de los Muertos? It's a holiday, the 1st and the 2nd of November, and what this does is that on these days people celebrate their loved ones and they create altars, and these altars they put their favorite things or favorite offerings which encourage the dead to visit and enjoy and partake of. And on these days what is recommended is that people visit cemeteries as a touristy thing. I remember when I arrived here in Mexico in 2013, I didn't expect, but in 2014 everyone was like, oh, let's go to the cemetery. I was like, cemetery? What are you talking about? Hell no. And in 2015 I went and I just observed the decorations on the different coffin cemetery or burial areas, and in different buildings throughout the city as well, and in different parts of Mexico they have these big altars created. And so Day of the Dead or Dias de los Muertos is very important here in celebrating the dead. And as a result of experiencing this, it was a reminder for me to not, you know, when you're dead, people want to give you nice things such as a beautiful eulogy, a special coffin, a nice sight, but I realized that living in the moment, in the present moment, and enjoying people around and experiences are more important. And that was a reflection I had whenever I would go to the cemeteries and see the families, and it's beautiful to see and experience that. Even I remember going to a funeral here, and when going to the funeral everyone was having a celebration, and I was like, wow, instead of mourning, you know, celebrate the life they live in a good way after and before. So it's a 1 It's a year thing. It's done yearly. You born once, you celebrate your birthday many times, and you die once, and that's celebrated every year. So that's something there to think about. There's an Uber coming and it's 8 minutes away. Okie dokie. We're making some progress here also while we wait. Some of the things you will see is people painting their face in beautiful costumes. I'm just wearing all black. I'm not a costume person per se, not yet. At least I haven't been convinced, but I've had my face painted before. I don't know if I'll do it again. Let's see. Never say never, they say. So let's see. So the Uber is almost here and let's go. Here, people are getting their face painted faces.
Buenas tardes, María Catrina, desde 100 pesos, puede preguntar. Seguimos, niños.
In a hat. Oh, original. Gracias. Gracias. Are you telling me they're going in that direction? Because look. No, because they said it's open Ganda!